Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering problem on HUAWEI MatePad 12X. Let's begin. So, first of all, we want to simply go into our settings. Then you want to go into your display and brightness, and you want to double check your brightness settings. Also, every single thing like dark mode or eye comfort could add up to this issue, so you just want to generally make sure that you have most of the things disabled. For example, I know that many people think that automatic brightness is the reason why certain things may seem like they flicker. And generally speaking, if we lower our screen brightness to very low amounts, now, of course, you can barely see anything, but you should see a little flicker about everywhere. And to be honest, this is mostly because of the camera and how it functions. And I don't really think many people can see that with just blind eye. But, well, maybe you are using your tablet to show it for, I don't know, cameras, and you have the screen flickering problem. Then you want to make sure that your brightness is generally not as low. Also, sometimes if you set it up to way too bright, you also may not see anything and you also may see the screen flicker. So generally having a nice in-between is usually a good option. Now, the other part, after you've made sure that you have the auto brightness disabled, is to simply soft reset your device. And you perform that soft reset by pressing and holding the power button with volume down button, like this. And you will perform a screenshot. You don't want to worry about that. You want to keep pressing and holding for about... Oh, I just released the button, so I need to do that again. And you want to keep pressing and holding power button with volume down button, so this is the right button, until the screen goes to black, which means that our HUAWEI tablet is now soft reset. And this means that generally it will just be reset in about 1 minute. So, as you can see, my device here is fully reset, and as a last resort option, if you are still encountering this screen flickering problem, you can simply go into the settings, then scroll all the way down, enter System and Updates, Software Update, and you just want to check for newest updates. Maybe they have released some new update that fixes your bugs, hopefully. And if they didn't, you just probably want to contact your technical support, because there is a very high chance that you might have suffered some sort of physical damage to your screen. And if that's the case, then sorry, but these tutorials won't really be much of a help for you. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.